What's going on, man? It's your boy Tren, the big bro, Tren Genius. You tuning in again to another exclusive video. I would show y'all. Let me show y'all my outdoor balcony. Whatever. Where I stay. I'm in Thailand, obviously, based on the title. As you can see, I'm in Thailand, man. You know what I'm saying? This shit never stops out here. It never sleeps. You hear sirens going, mopeds. It's always lit out here. It's just like Las Vegas on steroids. Now, Thailand is like Las Vegas times 20,000, bro. Without having to spend a lot of money. Like out here, the thing you should know about Thailand before you come, or if you out here, the thing about Thailand is it's cost friendly. Like it's cost friendly, like to do anything, but you can easily go broke. If that makes any sense. Okay? So like, not like Vegas. It ain't no slot machines out here. But you can easily lose it all if you don't have a purpose or a focus on something that you really like trying to do that's bigger than just this place, okay? Thailand is not what people think, okay? Especially this area where I'm at. I'm in a place called like Pattaya, right? I'm in Pattaya, like it's right on the beach. You know what I'm saying? It's like a beachfront, oceanfront, whatever you want to call it. And it's very beautiful in comparison to most places in Thailand, in comparison to like Bangkok, in comparison to all the outskirt places that are inside the country itself. But like when you stay on this beachfront, you will be bombarded with the most like you will have the most stuff to be able to do at your fingertips, especially as a man, than you ever had in your whole entire life, dog, if you know what I mean, okay? And like, you have to be very disciplined to stay out here. A lot of people don't know this, but like, if you weak, this place is gonna eat you up and spit you out. If you crazy for girls, it's gonna eat you up, it's gonna spit you out, okay? If you like to drink all the time, same thing. If you like to smoke, same thing. So that's one thing you gotta know about Thailand, bro. Like if you coming out here, you got to have some kind of discipline. You gotta have some kind of discipline. You gotta be able to, say to yourself, all right, I done had enough of this. It's time for me to chill, Or if you got a woman, that's great. You know what I mean? If you got a woman, you coming out here, you bringing your woman out here, or if let's say you meet a woman out here or something like that and y'all just hit it off, shit. I don't know how the hell that's gonna happen, but you can be lucky. You can be that lucky dude that just like, you score some hot chick and she's like the perfect woman, you know what I mean? Like she has all of the character qualities and she treats you like the man that you never thought could be treated like greatness or whatever the case. You can do that. I ain't trying to say not trying to say it's not still possible to meet women like that, but I'm just saying like chances is slim pickings to none if you come out here thinking that you're gonna find some shit like that. Okay. It's just so much to do. It's fun. Like it's a fun place. It's like Thailand, like Pattaya, Phuket. It's like basically like a Disney World. It's like Disney World for adults, Like I say, because everything is cheap, man. Everything is cheap. Food cheap. You can shit. I sometimes I be ordering grabs just for the fun of it. You know what I mean? Like tonight, I just ordered a bucket of chicken. I don't even know how much it costs, because I know it's just way more or less expensive than like the States. That bucket, I'm talking about the big bucket, the KFC. Like I bought a big bucket of KFC, like like the big bucket. In the States, I have never bought the big. Let me show y'all. I know this is kind of like weird, but Like, I showed this in my last video, but this is the big bucket of KFC, y'all. Like, y'all see how big that damn bucket is? Now, I can't remember the last time in the States that I bought a big bucket of KFC chicken like that. You know, because in the States, that probably would have ran me about $25, $30 maybe. You know what I mean? Off the rip. But out here, I got it for like $8, $9. And the thing about it is, if you ordering off Grab out here, or if you ordering food or whatever, like, it comes so quick. It comes like in, shit, man, it'll be at your crib in about like 25 minutes tops. Quick. So that's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, a lot of people don't know, man. Like, this place is like, and the reason why I'm making this video is because, like, it's good. All this stuff is good out here in Thailand, but like I said, having too much good like that, it could be detrimental to your well-being, if you know what I mean. Trust me, bro. I done traveled a lot of different places in the States, you know what I'm saying? And I done been doing my own thing for a long time. But I can proudly say this shit will test you out here. Okay, this is a real challenge. If you're a man and you come out here, this is a real challenge, a real test. It's not no games, okay? Like, if you say you tough, you thick-skinned, this gonna test you. If you say you get a lot of chicks or whatever the case may be, this is gonna test you. If you get money, whatever the case may be, this is gonna test you. And only the strongest gonna survive out here, okay, period. I done seen, like, you know, where I stay at, like my location where I stay at, I done seen dudes, man, come and go. They in here smiling one day, they leaving frowning the next day with suitcases, briefcases. They gotta go back to their family, their kids, their wife, whatever the case may be. You know, they like, man, I'm out. I was in the sauna talking to this white guy, and he was in the sauna sweating like me, of course, right? So we just up there just, you know, sweating and stuff like that. And he was like, man, how long you been here? I was like, I've been here for like 3 months, 2-3 months, 4 months, something like that. He was like, that's what's up, man. He was like, man, I'm going back home, man. I say, really, you leaving, going back home? He's like, yeah, I'm going back home, bro. And I was like, why, man? Why you leaving? Why you leaving? He was like, man, this is too much for me. Like, this is what he said. He was like, man, this is what we inhale, like, it keeps your sinuses open and stuff like that. But he was like, it's just too much for me, bro. Like, he was like, man, I'm going back to something more civilized. He was like, I like it and all, but he was like, man, it's way too much, like, temptation, distractions for him. You know what I mean? For him, that's what he was telling me. And I'm just like, okay. I'm like, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. Woo, woo, woo. Or whatever. But like I said, man, it different strokes for different folks. Everybody different. You know what I mean? But I just know, like I said, with me personally, I'm here to tell you, bro, this is like Disneyland paradise for a man. But at the same time, bro, you got to be a man with a plan. Okay? You got to be a man that's saying to yourself, you got to say to yourself, all right, this ain't the last place I'm going to be at. You know what I mean? Like, me personally, the only reason why I came to this place, this destination first, was because I like the videos and stuff that I was seeing on YouTube. Everybody was telling me. And then not only that, bro, but me personally, like, I'm trying to jet set. I'm trying to jet set and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm trying to do different stuff with my life. I'm trying to take it to like a higher level. You know what I mean? And, you know, that's why I came here personally. You know what I mean? Because not only because it was cost friendly, but y'all already know the situation I was in. If you subscribe to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, man. It's your big bro Tren, man. Over 4,000 something videos. Y'all make videos for all kind of people. And I know some of y'all had to be getting, like, some people get really butthurt over videos I make, because some days I make videos for this crowd of people. Then some videos I make, like, I made videos for the past 3 days for my Life is BS type crowd, which is an actual playlist that I have. If you don't know, I have playlists. If you go to my channel and you go to my front page of my channel, I have playlists. When I make videos like where I'm like therapeutically resonating with people that's not having a good day, that's because my life is BS playlist. When I'm making a video about Chosen One, that's my Chosen Ones playlist. When I'm making a video about Thailand, that's my Moving to Thailand's playlist. See, a lot of people don't know, like, I make so many different styles of forms of videos. A lot of people get personally hurt by the video I'm making, thinking that I'm in, like thinking, you know, let me just say this, like, 30% of it is about me, but you know what I mean? But 70% is just about the viewer. 70% is about the viewers that's watching. I'm trying to please everybody. I mean, yeah, I just wanted to make this video about Thailand, man, because somebody sent me an email that was like, "Big bro, Tren, man, I'm trying to come out there. What is it like, this dude?" I'm like, bro, it's only for the thick-skinned dudes. It's only for the thick-skinned ladies, y'all too. If you decide to come out here, ladies, this place is full of men. Okay, you got to be a serious woman that's really focused on your mission if you're trying to come out here and, let's say, leave from here and go to China, or leave from here and go to Malaysia, or leave from here and go to Indonesia or something like that. Like, you gotta be able to, you gotta have a focus and a vision, man. Cause you can meet the guy the guy you think of your dreams, or you can meet a dude and you might like him or something like that. He might be from another country too. And then they say, you know, you wrapped up with him, y'all wrapped up together. Now you wasting time with this dude, or now you wasting time with this chick. I told y'all, bro, it's like Las Vegas on steroids, bro. For those of you who ever been to Las Vegas, y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. Like, yes, it's like that without the gambling and without spending so much money. Imagine. But like I said, overall, this is one of the best places that I've ever been in the world. Do I plan on staying here forever? No, because I'm going different places. I mean, who wants to stay somewhere forever, okay? But nah, I ain't planning on staying here forever, but I'm just saying this is definitely a place where, you know, I encourage everybody to come visit, or, you know, if you have a chance, if you don't want to visit, there's many more Southeast Asian countries out here you can visit. That's just, I heard they just as better, just as good as this place, okay? But if you like water like me, then this is like, yeah, we gotta come here, okay? Like I say, I went to Bangkok. Yeah, it's cool up there and all that, but man, I can't survive without the water. I have to have the beach around me everywhere I go. For those of you who follow me and subscribe to me, y'all seen while I was in Phuket. I stayed on the beach in Phuket too. Like, I just have to have the beach. Me personally, I have to have the water around me. Okay, but I don't know what's your forte. I don't know what you like. But anyway, man, I just wanted to make this video, let y'all know what Thailand like, low key. Shouts out to the buddy that hit me up asking that question. With that being said, man, it's your boy Tren, man. If y'all want to book a session with me, y'all know how to do it at the top of the comments. Just book a session with me. I ain't had nobody book sessions. I don't know what's wrong. I guess it's the end of the year. Was y'all buying Christmas presents or something? I don't know. Book a session with me, man. If you want to learn how to trade, send me an email, Treniushenderson@gmail.com. I can teach you how to trade meme coins. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know the spiel. With that being said, welcome to Thailand. Peace.